press your offset button, yep, and that takes you into that screen. It is possible that it could be on the other screen, in which case you'd have to press that button. You've got geometry and you've got wear. You're always in that wear button, W, okay? So we got W1, wear for tool 1 is your threading tool, and then number 2 is your grooving tool. So now, when you type in 0.1, yep, 0.1 there, and then you're going to press the plus input there, yep, the soft key, and that's added that to what you've already got. If you now type in 0.1 again and press it again, it's added that to what you've got. If you now type in minus 0.05, yep, and now if you press input plus, it suck that off, okay? Okay. So, but if we're looking at the number 2, so cursor down there, yeah, so tool number 2 is the grooving tool, isn't it? Yeah, so tool number 2, the bigger it gets, the bigger the groove gets. Now on tool number 1, which is the one you just did there, to make that bigger, we're going to go minus. So if you put in there minus 0.2, yeah, and input plus, and then if you go another minus 0.1, yeah, that's making it bigger. If you want to make it smaller, you're going to go positive. That's for your threading tool. So your threading tool is minus and your grooving tool is plus, okay, on those wear off.